Hey everyone, thought I'd come on here and just say hello and talk about our new kit that we've created. So if you're interested in getting into Learn Lost Wax Casting, we have basically created a new ring kit that you can order. We also have classes that we teach here in Florida, and we're also looking into other locations as well, maybe creating like a mobile unit of some sort. But what I thought I would do is just show you what's in our kit and then basically kind of talk you through it. So why we created this kit is that I feel that a lot of the people that come and take our 3-day workshop, for instance, they want to make a few items, and typically they're here for our first day for our workshop, and we show them the whole entire process from start to finish of how the lost wax casting process works. And really they shadow instructor Brad, and he shows them the entire process start to finish. Then the second day of the class, we typically sit down with the students and give them different pieces of wax. So that might be something like this, which is a wax ring start, or it might be something like these, which are wax bands. We also have something like this. And so these are kind of items that we've put into our ring making kit. And then this is another example of also like a signet band blank that is provided. And so then what I've done, and here's another one. So basically within the kit, you get a signet band, and then you get a plain band, and then you get something like this, which is a little bit more rough, and you can go in and really modify that. Then we also give you some items like these wax pieces. And what I did is I took pieces like this and wrapped them around a mandrel, and I created some pieces like this where I'm using beach glass. And then I decorated the band with blobs of wax. And these beach glass pieces were actually cast in place. So we provide all of the things for you to do this. We also provide a nice big piece of flat green wax like this as well that you can mark on and carve into. And we also provide some pink wax like this, which is a sheet wax. And then we also provide a ring sizer. And the way this works is kind of like a zip tie, and you just put them one end into the other, and then you size it, and then you can look on the band and it tells you what size you're creating. You can also use it to figure out what size something you need to make a band. So you can put the two together like this, and then cut the piece of wax like that. And then we also provide this teal wax, which can be put onto other pieces. So you can drip it onto something like this to create like this, where I've put in these little blobs of wax. And then basically what I've done is I've gone through and created directions. So there's 11 pages here, where I go into, and I can show some of that to you as well. Basically, I go into describing different properties of the wax and what's in the kit and how all of it works. And then I also provide an extensive list of other recommended tools that you may want to purchase in your jewelry journey. So that's in here too. And then I go into detail with photographs and instructions and numbers, and basically tell you how you're going to size your ring. So it's very detailed instructions on how to go about that. And basically you put the piece on a mandrel and then cut that out and then put it together with the wax provided. So that is really detailed instructions. Then we also give you a page on if you need to take, for instance, this ring and size it up and make it bigger, if it's for maybe your husband or somebody who has large fingers, then these instructions go into that, how to do that. And then I go into instructions on how to size a ring like this. So that is done by the boring out method. And I tell you which tools to use, and then potentially how to file and decorate your ring and carve it. So that's another detailed sheet. All these instructions here are very detailed instructions with photographs on how to create these two rings where we're using beach glass. So those are the instructions on how to use the blue wax and some of this wax, and I go into detail on that. So that's what that is. I'm going to grab these two pieces of paper that I dropped down here. So then basically this sheet really goes into kind of more things to consider, how you could potentially use this wax and what that's good for. Also something like this. Some people have stamps, all different things that they can decorate their wax, so I go into that as well. And then basically I give you a really nice kind of illustrated view of how the lost wax casting process goes. So if you're going to come and take our workshop, you can do that. And we do a 3-day class. And so this kit is great to get ahead of time, make your pieces, and then come take our class. Or if you don't want to come take the class and you just want to mail the pieces in, you can do that, and this explains the process and how it works. So that's what that is. Then I also put together a list with QR codes on how to purchase these items off of Amazon. So all these other supplies. So if you're wanting to get into jewelry design, and this is a really nice list of tools and things we recommend. So that's in there as well. So, and then basically I have instructions on how to ship your pieces to us, and we will cast your pieces. If you don't want to come and take the class, if you want to just ship them off to us, we can do that for you. So we do casting a couple times a week, and we'd love to do that as well. So we do offer casting services too for jewelry. So if you're looking for someone on the East Coast that would like jewelry cast, if you're a jewelry maker, if you want to buy our kit and try it out. I'm also looking for feedback on the kit. Is there other things that you think should be in the kit that are not in the kit? Would you like to have more stuff in there? I could provide things like a mandrel, things like that as well. It's just all sort of additional cost. Would you want a kit where maybe you kind of build onto it? I could add things to it. So again, just to recap kind of what's in the kit, we have these wax ring blanks that you can carve things into. You can decorate. If you want to try making, you know, you can turn this into this if you want. Maybe you want to set some stones in here that you want cast in place. Maybe you want to carve your boyfriend's name in there. Maybe you want to carve your name in there. All of those things are wonderful things to try. So, and then we have a signet ring blank, so something like this. Again, you can decorate this, you can carve into it, you can put things onto it, all sorts of things. Then we have wax pieces like this. So these are included in the kit as well. And then we have green wax, we have the ring sizer, and then we have some pink wax. So that's what's in the kit. And then we have all the instructions on how to do those things. Oh, I forgot about this. So this wax is really great. You can really carve this wax. My husband Brad, who does the most of all of our custom pieces, he uses this and he'll coat. Basically, there's kind of two ways to go about creating wax designs. One is you can either create them additively or you can create them subtractively. And so something like, for instance, 3D printing, that's an additive process. So you're adding wax to the band, and then you're going to carve the wax into the band. So that would be a subtractive method. Similarly, when we used to create jewelry, we do things like 3D printed or CNC milled jewelry. So this ring here that I created, these earrings here, these are all created with 3D printing, which we also teach classes on as well. But the 3D printing is additive, but the CNCing would be subtractive. So that's a subtractive method. So that's similar to where you're carving into wax and removing it, similar to how you would do wood carving. So you can attack jewelry making and wax carving both ways. You can do it subtractive or you can do it additive. So keep that in mind when you're creating, that those are ways to go about it. And then again, I'll show, I'm gonna arrange these here so it's a little bit prettier. I just been picking them all up and throwing them around in this conversation, but I will show a photo of the kit. We do have the kit available now on our website, which should be in our bio. And then I'm gonna also potentially work on getting it in our TikTok shop here for this one, but I haven't figured that out on this account yet. We do have jewelry accounts that we sell our jewelry on TikTok shop as well. So again, examples of those rings where we did the cast in place pieces. So these pieces are beach glass that we found on the beach, and then we wrapped them in wax and decorated them and made bands. So that's something that you can achieve with the kit that we're selling. And I'll go ahead and hold the phone here and show you the kit this way too. All right. So again, we have the box that your kit will come in. So this is the box, and we have all the directions. I showed you the 11 pages that are there. I can also give this to you in a PDF if you'd like as well. And then I have all the pieces that are waxes that are in the kit. So I'm showing a couple extra here, but basically you get a signet ring and you get a band, and then you get a piece like this that you can carve, and then all of these items. So the sticky wax, which is how you put wax together. So anyway, if you're interested, you can get it on our website, which is here. And we also, it pairs nicely with our classes. So these are examples of people doing classes with us. So we'd love to have you. So if you're interested, keep us in mind. And I'm gonna also be putting together more kits. So I'm gonna have a pendant making kit and possibly a bracelet kit as well. If there's something else you'd love to see, please either send me a DM or leave a comment and let us know, because I love to help jewelers learn new tricks and learn the last wax casting process. So that's what we're here for, and that's why we do our workshops. And anyway, thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit, and we'll do more of these soon. So thanks so much. All right, bye-bye.